Hey, Patty G here. Let's talk about workshop lights. There they are, up ahead, right there. See them? I wanted to use this area over here for storage bins. We need to shine some light on the subject. I got some lights, and I already got them up over here on this side. These are the Barrina T5 LED integrated light fixtures. And I put these up all through the shop except for back here in this dark corner. And I want to get some light over here and I'm going to get this cleaned up and my new shelves assembled. We're using this in another storage area, so I know these are really good quality shelves. It comes with all the hardware to mount them and everything. I mounted these on the 4 joists above. They have little metal clips that screw in, and then these just snap into the little metal clips. There's one right there. So you can put them just about anywhere you wanted. I chose to put mine in 2 squares. Let me get somewhere where I can see this, or where you can see it. Basically 2 squares. Down there, across, back up, down there, across, and back up, and one over the toolboxes there. So I think I'm going to just make a U, come down through here, cross over, and back up through here, and get everything coming back to this power. And one other thing I remembered, I have a 3-way remote switch, and I can put each section of the workshop on the remote, so I can save energy as well. Well, let's get busy installing these things. That is without the lights, and that's with it. Oh my goodness. That's one bright workshop. Alright. So I'm going to tie the cables up. All these little cross connects. That one's not too bad. I've got some that are hanging down. Some of the longer ones. And I'm going to tie those up. Make sure they don't get in the garage door, etc., etc., etc. These things, the great part is you can just move those brackets if you want to reconfigure later, which I'm going to do when I tear down this piece of sheetrock and eventually insulate and sheetrock the ceiling, which is on my list. Obviously I gotta put the screws back in there. That is no bueno. Alright, so there is my lighting project. These Barrina LED T5 integrated fixtures, which means you don't change bulbs, you don't change LEDs unless you take it apart, come in a pack of 8. You can actually get them in smaller packs on Amazon. They are T5 sized. They're 4 feet long, 20 watts each, 6500 Kelvin, and 2200 lumens. So I've got, what about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 fixtures times 2200 lumens is 33,000 lumens of light. Okay, that's another episode of Petty G DIY Barrina T5 lighting. Short version is, these things are inexpensive. They put out a lot of light. I've been running all of them but this last section that I installed on a video for a couple, 3 months now. No problems whatsoever. So I do recommend them. By the way, this is not a paid endorsement of anything. So next time we're going to get these storage shelves assembled. We're going to get these storage bins on the shelves. We're going to get them rolled over there in the corner where they belong. We're going to get our stuff organized. And it's all downhill from here. Should that be uphill? Uphill? Downhill? We're just going to be level. How's that? Alright, hey, thanks again. I really enjoyed doing this. I hope you guys enjoy watching. So thanks for watching. God bless. And we'll see you later.